guys and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Khan's kitchen. We're going to be making some creamy white sauce. We've got 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of flour, a bowl full of cheese. Use as much or as less as you like depending on how cheesy you want your white sauce. We've got some black pepper, we've got some thyme, oregano, parsley, and I've got 500 ml of milk or half a litre. And we're going to be using some salt. I'll give you the amounts as we are cooking and when we are putting it in. So we've got a pan here, and heat your pan up and add in your butter. So add your 60 grams of butter and make sure it melts really well before you go ahead and add your flour. So melt your butter away just like so. Right, so once your butter is melted, add your 60 grams of flour. So we're using the same amount of flour to butter. It gives you the perfect consistency for your white sauce. So mix it until your flour goes a nice, very light brown colour. But as soon as you start to smell the flour, start to add your milk. I will show you what consistency we are looking for in just a moment. So mix it really well so you're getting rid of the clumps. So this is the consistency we are looking for before we add our milk. Right, slowly add your milk bit by bit and mix that in really well. And you might see some clumps forming slowly. Just keep mixing and keep pushing down your clumps. You can also use a whisk for this process, but I prefer to use a spatula myself. So keep mixing and adding your milk slowly by slowly, just like so. And keep doing this process until you get to the consistency that you like. Right, as you can see, we are still adding our milk. So right now we will put our heat up between low and medium and continue to do the same thing. So far we have added around about half of our milk, but we will keep pouring the milk in slowly and continuing to do it until we get a nice smooth texture for our white sauce. Right, as you can see, this is the texture that we are looking for and how it should look. We have added all 500 ml of our milk. And this is the exact texture we are looking for. And as you can see, I'm just using the back of my spatula to kind of crush down any lumps and bumps that I can see. So now put your heat on low and we will start to add our spices. So we will now add our spices once we've got to this consistency, as you can see. So starting off, we will be adding a teaspoon of parsley. So a full teaspoon of parsley. We've got half a teaspoon of oregano. We've got a quarter teaspoon of thyme. Around 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that in really well. Now we've got around half a teaspoon of salt and pour in your cheese. Mix that in really well and turn your heat off. As soon as you add your cheese, turn the heat off. As you can see, our white sauce is ready and cooled down. And now you can use this on whatever you would like to use it on. Right, so you can use this, as I said, on whatever recipe you would like to use it on. We like to use it on lasagnas, and you can use it on our recipes such as our chicken parmesan. You can use it on your creamy cabbage recipe. Chicken nambali, you can use it on many recipes as I have just given you examples of. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and show some love to the other videos as well. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.